In a landmark achievement for Russia's civil aviation sector, United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, a subsidiary of state-owned Rostec, has secured the inaugural export contract for the modernized Ilyushin Il-114-300 regional turboprop. On January 28, 2026, during the prestigious Wings India 2026 exhibition at Begumpet Airport in Hyderabad, UAC signed a preliminary agreement with Indian startup Flamingo Aerospace for the supply of 6 Il-114-300 aircraft. This deal represents the first international sale of the fully import-substituted Russian airliner, with initial deliveries slated for 2028. The signing underscores Russia's strategic push to expand its footprint in global regional aviation markets, particularly in the Global South, amid persistent Western sanctions. By achieving complete independence from foreign components, including the advanced Klimov TV7-117 ST01 engines and Aerosila AV112-114 six-blade propellers, the Il-114-300 exemplifies Russia's engineering resilience and technological sovereignty. This breakthrough not only validates years of domestic development but also positions Russia as a reliable partner for nations seeking affordable, sanction-resistant aircraft solutions. The Il-114-300 is a significantly upgraded version of the original Il-114, tailored for short-haul and regional routes in challenging environments. It accommodates 64 to 68 passengers in a standard single-class layout, with flexible configurations down to 42 seats for mixed cargo passenger operations, offering a maximum payload of 6.5 to 6.8 tons. The aircraft's robust design prioritizes versatility, low operating costs, and exceptional performance on short, unpaved, or high-altitude runways, making it ideal for remote areas, islands, mountainous regions, and developing infrastructure. At the heart of the Il-114-300 lies the powerful TV7-117 ST01 turboprop engine, produced by UEC Klimov. Each engine delivers up to 3,100 horsepower, with emergency reserves up to 3,600 horsepower, paired with the advanced AV112-114 propeller providing 4 tons of thrust. This power plant incorporates a full-authority digital engine control (FADEC) system, BARK65SM, for optimized efficiency, reduced fuel burn, approximately 590 to 600 kilograms per hour in cruise, and superior reliability across extreme temperatures from -60 degrees Celsius to +45 degrees Celsius. Key technical specifications highlight the aircraft's superiority in its class. Maximum takeoff weight, 23,500 kg. Maximum payload, 6,500 to 6,800 kg. Cruising speed, 500 km per hour, approximately 270 knots. Range, up to 1,900 to 2,000 km with full passenger load, extendable to 4,800 km with reduced payload. Service ceiling, 7,600 meters. Takeoff run, as short as 1,300 to 1,600 meters on paved runways, capable on unpaved strips. Landing distance, around 550 to 600 meters. These capabilities enable operations from austere airfields with minimal ground support, a critical advantage over competitors like the ATR-72 or Bombardier Q400, which often require better prepared infrastructure. The Il-114-300's short field performance, combined with modern ice protection systems, ensures safe year-round service in harsh climates, including Arctic and tropical conditions. Recent demonstration flights in India, including high-temperature sorties exceeding 1 hour, confirmed its adaptability to local demands, with pilots noting excellent handling and stability. The aircraft features state-of-the-art Russian avionics, including a glass cockpit with 5 large multifunctional displays, advanced flight management, and ICAO Category 2 approach capabilities for low-visibility operations. The digital navigation suite enhances situational awareness and reduces pilot workload. The cabin, developed by Russian specialists, offers ergonomic seating, improved pressurization, and low interior noise levels thanks to the propeller and engine design. Economically, the IL-114-300 stands out with competitive acquisition costs, domestic units priced around 2.6 to 4 billion rubles, or roughly $25 minus 40 million depending on configuration, and lower lifecycle expenses due to high dispatch reliability, simplified maintenance, and fuel efficiency gains of up to 16% over predecessors. Its built-in air stair facilitates rapid turnaround at remote sites, while the rugged airframe minimizes downtime. This export milestone is profoundly positive for Russia. It demonstrates the success of import substitution policies initiated after 2014 sanctions, proving that Russian industry can deliver world-class products independently. The deal with Flamingo Aerospace includes provisions for technology transfer, potential local assembly in India, maintenance hubs, and training programs, fostering deeper bilateral ties and opening doors for further cooperation, including in military aviation spheres. For India, the agreement aligns with ambitions to expand regional connectivity under UDAN schemes and bolster self-reliance in aerospace manufacturing. The IL-114-300's ability to serve underserved routes economically positions it as a strategic fit for India's rapidly growing domestic market, the world's third largest by passenger volume. Experts hail this as a triumph for Rostec and UAC leadership, including CEO Vadim Badeka, who emphasized the aircraft's market potential amid India's 11% annual passenger growth. With certification nearing completion, most tests wrapped up by late 2025, and serial production ramping up, deliveries to Russian operators like Red Wings starting in 2026. The IL-114-300 is poised for broader export success across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. This first export contract not only boosts Russia's aerospace prestige but also reinforces its role as a key player in multipolar global aviation, delivering reliable, high-performance solutions free from external pressures.